Hello friends, welcome back on this YouTube channel. I am Professor Saurabh Naik, taking the next session under the discipline Town Planning. Our today's topic is levels in town planning. Objectives of this session is to know the different levels of planning. Levels in town planning. The development and particularly urban development is a complex phenomenon representing interplay of various sectors and activities. Planning must proceed from whole to part. A town cannot be designated independently of its region, and a region is independently of state and nation. To maintain the continuity in the planning process of the following forms of planning are to be considered. Following are the levels of planning: national level planning, state planning, regional planning, local planning, sub-city level planning, and site planning. Let's see one by one. The first one is a national planning. There is no statutory planning at national level. The nature of planning at national level is very broad, limited mainly to economic and social policies. This planning is both for urban and rural sectors. The national policies deal with mainly major items such as in national policies or national level planning, the major items such as basic industries, mining, agriculture, forestry, communication, defense, and other aspects of national importance such as national parks and conservation of historic and archaeological monuments, etc. The population policy is also an important element of national planning, coupled with health public. The next level of planning is state level. The aims and objectives and scope of the state plan are more or less same as at national level. State level and national level are near about same, but except the topics like defense, railways, which are national level subjects, are not in state level. There is no statutory planning at state level also. The next level of planning is regional planning. A town or a city cannot be isolated from its surrounding region. Hence, a regional planning helps in controlling and reshaping the growth of major towns in the region. The term region is generally used to define areas separated exclusively by natural boundaries, but equally by political and administrative boundaries. At regional level, the planning can really take into consideration along with the economics. The special dimension are effectively. It is at this level that a regional land utilization arrangement as statutory planning is undertaken in Maharashtra and some other states. The distribution of population, agricultural development, forestry, industrial development, river basin recreation, and tourism settlement strategies, new towns, regional communication and infrastructure, etc., are generally dealt with the regional levels. Planning is both for urban and rural areas. District has been found to be more appropriate and suitable unit for planning due to following reason. The first one is administration, second data collection, and third one is data implementation. For example, Amravati, it is developed for agro-industrial. Ratnagiri developed on the basis of resource-based region. Mumbai developed on metropolitan region. Next, local planning. The physical dimensions and location aspects become most important at local level. Development plan of village may be made under statutory provisions through certain aspects under statutory regional plans. The planning document at settlement level is generally termed as master plan or development plan for urban areas, indicating the land use zoning development, control, implementation strategies, etc., and can be undertaken under statutory provisions. Next level planning is sub-city level planning. At sub-city level, there are two planning schemes: improvement schemes, area development scheme, and projects like works under integrated urban development program. The planning will be influenced by these statutory zoning purposes of development plans. And last level of planning is site level planning. At these levels of the site, the planning assumes a more detailed picture as it will take into account even the widening of the roads, the marginal distance to be left from the road and within the plot from its periphery, plot coverage, FSI, etc. For summarize this session, that there are 6 levels of planning from whole to part. Here we end up this session. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.